Hello, this is Chris Roshan on 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. Today we're taking a look at the Netit Mo 3 smart door and window sensors. This is sold separately, but it only works with the Netit Mo indoor security camera with face recognition, which we'll show you in just a moment. Here are the 3 sensors. 1, 2, 3. Pretty easy. They're wireless. Comes with a battery pack and adhesion kit. And then we have the Netit Mo Smart Indoor Siren. This is sold separately and works only with the Netit Mo Indoor Security Camera with face recognition. So here is the Siren right here. It's pretty large, but also light. And then for the piece de resistance of the kit, we have the Netit Mo Indoor Security Camera with face recognition. So it comes with an app for your iPhone and Android. Here's some more details. It recognizes faces. You can pause this anytime and take a look at all the details. So there is some learning on the machine side and the cloud side about how this all works and who it's taking photos and videos of. So there's the camera, and then you have the microphone down here, and we'll turn it around, and you can see it has an Ethernet port, the charging port, and a micro SD card slot for storage. So it actually stores video locally as well as in the cloud. And it has cloud plans that of course are premium priced. So if you want to take a look at that, you can, but it also has local cloud storage, which we like a lot. So all 3 products are sold separately, and these 2 sets of products only work with this here. So once you get all 3, you basically have a home security system built in the cloud. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and Instagram.